Hi everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I want to share with you the new collection release by Craft Consortium called In the Forest. It's this beautiful collection with lovely illustrated images from the forest. You've got birds, you've got flowers and mushrooms, you've got of course the lovely forest animals, and my favourite, the owl. I just love owls. One of my favorite birds, and it's just a lovely collection. My design team colleagues, they are preparing videos and Instagram posts and blog posts as well, and I know that they are going to do a more in-depth view of the actual collection, but I'm not going to do that today. Instead, I'm going to share with you a tutorial on how to create these gift tags or cards. I mean, you can have this as a card as well. So this is a gift tag that I've created with the collection. This is a very autumny gift tag slash card, and then this is a very Christmassy one which I've created. So the collection is very versatile. You can create an autumn card, but you can also create a very Christmassy cutesy little gift tag as well. So I'm going to share with you how I created these because they are super simple to do, and I've only seen a tutorial of these on a Scandinavian channel because they are so hot on the Scandinavian crafting market. Everyone is doing them, and I just want to share that to the English speaking world as well. So yeah, let's jump into the tutorial and let me show you how I create these lovely little Konvolutt. Say that right. So the first thing that you need to do is to pick the piece of paper that you want. I have picked out this lovely mushroom paper from the collection that I'm going to use. I'm going to take this 12 by 12 piece of paper and I'm going to cut this down to an 8 by 8 piece that I've done here. When I've got the 8 by 8 piece of paper cut out, I'm going to take my scoreboard and I'm going to create the flaps of this Konvolutt. And I'm going to put down my paper and I'm going to score at 1 inch, creating the big flap, and then ½ an inch, creating the small flap. The next step is to fold down the sides that you've scored. What I'm doing here, just to fold that down a little bit, and then you need to fold and meet the two sides that haven't been scored so that you can create the envelope on the bag. So here I'm just eyeing out a perfect little overlap, not too much, not too little, just a perfect overlap there, and then when I'm happy with it I just score it, and here we've got the almost finished Konvolutt. Then what you shall do is to cut off the 4 corners. So I do this with just a scissor and I cut the outline corners out with my scissor. Just eye that as well, it doesn't need to be perfect, and just cut away, cut all the 4 corners off, and when you've done that you're left with the Konvolutt shape, and the only thing left to do then after that is to cut the tabs just to make them look a little bit prettier. You could leave them like this if you wanted, but I think it's worth it to just cut the tab corners off just because it makes it look prettier. The only thing left now to do is to tape down the gift bag. As you can see here, I have used some double-sided tape, and I'm just folding the sides together, just removing a little bit of excess tape there. That is your gift bag. It's completed, and this is super easy, as you can see. I mean, you can do 25 of these for Christmas easily in the space of an hour. I like to make a little bit of a hole on the bigger flap just because it looks prettier, and then when I have punched out that hole, I will use a little bit of lovely some string, and that creates that kind of Scandinavian look, which a lot of people do. And yeah, that is your Konvolutt cut. That is your gift bag, card. I mean, it's a lovely little gift to give to someone. Actually, you fill it with a gift card maybe, or something, and then you decorate the front like I've done here. Yeah, so yeah, hope you've enjoyed, and I hope you try this out, and see you in my next video. Bye!